The National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cherokee County in northwestern Iowa, southeastern Sioux County in northwestern Iowa, northeastern Plymouth County in northwestern Iowa, southwestern O'Brien County in northwestern Iowa until 7 p.m. At 6:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mars, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Remsen around 6:15 p.m. Granville around 6:25 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Sioux Falls. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Sioux, Cherokee, O'Brien, and Plymouth. Operating on a frequent...
Wow, thank you.
Originates from the National Weather Service in Sioux Falls and serves the surrounding tri-state area.